Does cleaning a microwave with lemon get rid of this? Ew. Well, we're going to show you exactly how, or whether or not that hack even works. Step by step, we're going to test this method and see if we can turn that into something usable. But before we do, if you want to learn how to clean better while saving money, time, and a little bit of the environment, then click below, turn on the notifications, and subscribe to the channel. Step 1 is to half fill a 2-litre jug of water. Step 2, cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice into the jug of water, and once you've got as much out as you can, place the actual lemon into the water as well. Place the jug in the microwave and turn on from anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the condition and build up you have within the microwave. Then simply wipe out the microwave, rinsing the cloth regularly as you go. And that's it, job done. And a pretty impressive result, even if I do say so myself. It is quite a quick, easy method to do. There's not a lot of scrubbing to it, and actually it was very straightforward. So, does cleaning a microwave with a lemon work? Yes, it does. And like I say, it gives a pretty impressive result. Cheap, cheerful, and quite straightforward. What more could you want? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And if you want to learn how to clean better while saving time, money, and the environment, click subscribe below and turn on the notifications to check out some more of our videos. If you have any comments, please do let us know, or if you want us to put anything else to the test, drop us a comment and let us know. Thanks very much.